siya. Okay, ang purpose nito directly is also kailangan may basihan and kailangan merong order ang doktor, no? So, may prescription, may order siya. Okay, so usually ang mga pasyente nagka-catheter kapag may mga problema sa urethra, okay? Again, may mga urethral blockage. Okay, so laging ang defect talaga is nasa more on sa lower, no, urinary tract. Okay, may injury sa urethra, sa mga lalaki may tawag doon, enlarged prostate. Okay, so pag may mga bato, no, may mga bladder stone or even kidney stone, nerve damage, may mga tumor. So yan, kailangan ng mag-catheter. So it is, again, the decision of the doctor if the patient needs to be catheterized. Okay? So we need to explain the patient, the procedure, the indication of the procedure. So you have to prepare, okay? So hindi kayo as caregiver nagka-catheterize, but yung assistance, no? Assist, for example, yung ulig ninyo or doctor in insertion of a catheter, so make sure, no, you follow strict sterile, no, technique. Okay? So, ang best position pag babae, pag ika-catheterize yung lithotomy position or actually the dorsal recumbent position, yung di ba nakahiga yung pasyente nyo, tapos naka-flex lang yung kanyang knee, no? Itataas niyo yung leg niya, okay, then naka-flex yung kanyang knee, okay, then medyo, okay, ibuka kayo widen or, okay, you make sure the legs, or I mean the thigh and legs are apart with proper draping, okay? So sa lalaki, supine lang yan. Basta nakahiga, medyo i-open nyo lang, no, yung kanyang thigh, okay? And yung legs. So yan yung position, okay? So again, catheterization is a sterile procedure, okay? So since the urinary tract is sterile,